Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make your mask. Anybody can make a mask if you have piece of cloth, sewing machine, or thread and needle. For me, I have sewing machine and old pajamas for our project. First, we need a pattern for tracing the fabric. The pattern design looks like a French fries cup. The measurement is 1 1/2 inch in the bottom, 6 3/4 inches high, and 6 inches wide in the top. We need to cut 4 pieces of cloth using the pattern. Take 2 pieces of fabric and stitch together in the curved portion of the material with about 1/4 inch of the seam allowance. Repeat it on the other remaining materials. Then, spread the 2 materials and stitch in both sides, leaving the narrow end unstitched. Then, turn the fabric inside out. Then, stitch to the fabric the ear pieces.